How's it going? So let's look at YFI. I got a request to do that from Craig. So let's go look at that. Also, might do a video on Breakout because my alert just went off for that. So I'll get that ready. But right now, looking at YFI, holy crap, YFI is going absolutely parabolic. But as is Bitcoin and the rest of the market, we're long overdue for this pump. On the daily chart, though, YFI is still not bullish until you break this 200-day moving average and close the daily candle above it, which is currently at 76.77. So that would be the price to break. As the price starts to go up, I don't expect this line or this price to get any lower to be bullish on unless you don't get above that price and you start going down again and make a lower low. But as of right now, the price to be bullish on Wi-Fi on the daily chart is $7,680. That's what we'll say. On the 4-hour chart, you're completely overbought, but you have made a higher high. So in an uptrend, also the 4-hour chart is above the 200-day moving average, so it is bullish on the 4-hour chart. Looking at the 1-hour chart, 1-hour chart's obviously above the 200-day moving average. It's been above it for a while, so you might have had the sign earlier, way back here around the 6th of January, that something was brewing, because that was the first time you were above the 200-day moving average for an extended period of time in a long time. You can see for the longest time you've been at it or right below it, but you've never really stayed above it. And you finally have. Let's see if we're doing it on the 4-hour chart too. Yes, kind of. So we'll see what happens. It is overbought. I'm expecting a massive correction when it does happen. Even though we put in a higher high, we can still put it in a higher low and be bullish as long as YFI stays above on the night when it does correct. As long as it stays above $5,000. Technically, that's bullish. So you could go as low as $5,000 and still be bullish on YFI. So right now, 5,000 is a macro support. That's a macro low. To be bullish, this is what bulls need to do. You have to get above $7,680 to be bullish on YFI. And if you're a bear, you would obviously want to see a lower low below $5,000. As long as you stay above 5,000, that's a double bottom. And if you put a higher low in, maybe around 5,500 or 5,700, that's a higher low. So as of right now, YFI is still an uptrend, but obviously I'm expecting a massive correction on the whole market when we do get one. Doesn't mean I'm expecting a lower low, but I would say you probably get a higher low. I'm still not saying bombs in, but I think the rally is gonna, I think we might be an uptrend for the next month or two, and then you will get massive correction. So I'm expecting a higher low on most of the market. But right now, the price for the bears to beat to the downside is 5,000, and the price for the bulls to beat to the upside would be that magical $7,680. That's it for YFI. Obviously, be cautious, take your profits, because when you run up this fast, this hard, you always get a correction, even if it's not a lower low, even if it's a higher low. Take your profits. If you're investing, then just sit tight, because I think long term you'll be fine. But with that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next update.